Hi guys, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and today I have a follow-up video on our home daycare meal planning. And today I was going to do cereal bar with scrambled eggs in a pear cup, and I decided to go ahead and make these ham, egg, and cheese puffs in a muffin tin. And what I did is I blended 9 eggs, probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cottage cheese, not even a fourth of a cup of milk, probably an eighth of a cup of milk at the most, in a blender. Blended those up, poured them in a buttered muffin tin, and then added some diced ham and some shredded cheddar cheese. Baked that in the oven, I don't know, about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And these will puff up and they will fall, so that's natural. And then this is what the children were served. We had cups of pears, a mixed fruit grain bar, and our little ham, egg, and cheese little egg puff. So the kids have enjoyed that, and I hope you like these meal ideas that we're coming up with our meal plan. Now for Thursday, we're going to have an orange colored food day. So I've got cranberry orange muffins, ham, orange slices, cheddar crackers, cheddar cheese sticks, cottage cheese and pineapple, mac and cheese, carrots, and some little graham crackers tomorrow. And that will be an orange colored food day. And then for next week, with it being the week before Christmas, I went on Pinterest and found some ideas and made little teeny tiny little thumbnails and put them on the calendar. So I hope you like these ideas. Like, share, subscribe. Happy homeschooling, happy daycare, happy preschool, happy classroom.